In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon on your Weebly website in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and make your website more personalized and recognizable. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Weebly homepage. You can do this by typing in weebly.com into the address bar. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the login button. Give that a click. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you're like many users who have integrated Weebly with Square, you'll notice an option to log in with Square. That's what we're going to use in this tutorial. Just click on that and follow the prompts to access your Weebly account. Once you successfully log in, you're going to be directed to your account dashboard. To proceed with changing the favicon, locate the Overview section. You should see an option for Overview. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage various aspects of your website. Now, once you're in the Overview section, your next step is to find the Site Preferences. This option is an integral part of customizing your site's overall settings. By clicking on Site Preferences, you'll gain access to several settings, including the ability to modify your favicon. Alright, we're making good progress. After clicking on Site Preferences, you'll want to focus on locating and selecting favicon. Clicking here will direct you to where you can upload a new image to represent your website as the favicon. Remember, the favicon is that little icon that appears next to your site's name in a browser tab. It plays a significant role in making your site easily identifiable. At this stage, you'll be given the option to select and upload your new favicon image from your device. A quick tip to keep in mind here is to ensure that the image you're uploading is right sized for a favicon. Typically a 16 by 16 pixel image works perfectly, and be sure that it is in an appropriate format such as PNG or ICO. With your new favicon image selected, make sure to save your changes. After you hit save, your Weebly site's new favicon should be in place. You might want to refresh your site to see the changes take effect in your browser tab. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your Weebly favicon. This small change can make a big difference, helping make your site more professional and visually appealing to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and good luck with your website.